So many of us are interested in implementing order flow into our trading, and there's not a whole lot out there when you do a search, and some of the stuff that you do see out there is very expensive, or you just lease it and you have to pay a monthly lease, which can add up and can be pretty costly. So I'm going to show you the tools that are available through Trade the E-minis that will help you transition into adding order flow to whatever setups that you're currently trading, or just simply using the order flow. Some of these tools may look familiar. Maria from Trade the E-minis actually used a programmer who programmed some tools for other companies as well, so they may look familiar. But on the right, this is the flow chart, the market order flow chart. And you can see here, I'm using an 8-tick range chart, but you can use a time-based chart or a range chart, tick chart, whatever you like. And each bar here, you'll notice that we've got the buyers on the right, the sellers on the left. So very helpful when, let's say, you're looking to take a short off resistance, for example. We can see here using the delta. If the delta is positive, you've got more buyers than sellers. If the delta is negative, you've got more sell orders than buy orders. So as you're approaching resistance, you can see the buy orders, but as soon as it hits the resistance area, you can see the sellers stepping in. So great confirmation for trying to take a short at that time. And also on this chart, you'll notice that we've got these lines here. We've got the value area highs and lows, pivot points. I've got POC. We've got pivot points in the way of highs and lows. We've got the Fibo initial balance areas as well, and all these can be added or deleted, whatever you want or don't want to show on your chart, by just clicking show, and then you'll put a check mark there. You can change how you look at the bid and ask ladders. You can choose to look at it as bid times ask. You can look at it as a bid and ask histogram, and you can do the same here at, on the action bar. This bar here is the action bar, and you can change how that appears as well. Over here you've got the volume at the different price levels, which is also really helpful. If you see an area where you've got a lot of volume, same looking at both the bids and the asks, you'll know that that's realistically an area of support or resistance. On the left here, on this chart, I'm also using an 8-tick range chart, but you can use whatever you like. And on this chart here, we've got some great coloring going on, but makes it very easy to see the value areas. So here would be value area high 1, level 1, value area high 2, and then on the bottom you got the low area, first low area, and the second value area low. And we've got the POC right here in the center. We've got the histogram here, again showing us the volume. And we've got the previous day's information as well. Here we've got yesterday's value area, first value area, high and low in red. We've got the open. We've got the value area, second value area, high and low in blue. So there's a lot of information on here that you can use in conjunction with what you're already using or alone. So you get those items in your tools. There'll actually be 3 different things that you'll plot on your charts. And you can use a separate chart for these initial balance areas and the pivot highs and lows. And then also you get Market Profile Plus, which will give you the market profile. So there's a whole lot going on here with the tools, and everything is customizable on how you would like to view it. So if I look here at the indicators, you can change the colors, you can set alerts, audio and visual alerts, you can change the color of your order flow chart bars, the histogram, just many, many options. So I really urge you, if you have any intention of learning order flow, I would definitely say at least check out the tools that Maria from Trade the E-minis is offering. And not only that, she will help you get familiar with it and let you into an education chat room that she runs to show people how to use the tools. So I hope that you find that helpful, and check it out, tradetheeminis.com.